Shaina.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Like we sent a post yesterday regarding time for our preschoolers who are 4+ and who are learning numbers. Yes, this is the right age to introduce them to learn timings. But yes, these are not the accurate timings that you are going to introduce. These are not the minutes timings that you are going to introduce. All we are going to do is focus on the word hours. Yes, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. These are the only timings that you're going to right now introduce your little one with. Basically, they are an age where they just need to be introduced with simple concepts of learning the clock. So if you see, you need to do first thing is you need to create this sort of a simple clock which has no minutes or anything mentioned, just numbers and these two dialysis to make them understand that how they're supposed to understand the clock thing. I have mentioned 7. Yes, the reason why 7, because Shaina understands what 7 o'clock is. She knows she wakes up at 7. What you can do is make a clock like this. When your timings for your little one is to wake up, just show her the clock. If it's 6 o'clock, you show her 6. I say Shaina it's 7 and I show her the clock. So she understands, okay, this is how 7 means. She understands that the small dialysis is towards 7 and the bigger one is towards 12. That makes it 7. So she can relate. The moment the kid starts to relate that how the timing is supposed to be worked, they understand. 7 o'clock is for waking up. 8 o'clock is Shaina's school timings. 11:30 is Shaina's tiffin hours. 1 o'clock is Shaina's school leaving hours. For 2 o'clock she's supposed to sleep. And around 5 o'clock she plays with her next door neighbor. 6 o'clock she goes to play down. So she has these timings that are specified to her and she reads them out to me saying, Mama, it's 5 o'clock. It's time for me to go play. So she's learned this. So you don't have to introduce hours at all to your kids. All you need to do is introduce, you don't have to introduce minutes, You only need to introduce hours to them. So I am going to put you a writing simple write-up with the steps that for initial first week, 5 hours that you need to introduce, like the waking hour, having breakfast hours, going to school hours, having a tiffin hours and coming back from the school hours. Let's start step by step. These simple 4-5 steps, if you start, gradually the little more you can introduce. Like right now you can introduce her to her clock timings related to her schedule. Gradually then with your schedule, then with your husband's schedule, then your if you stay in a joint family, what your grandmother's schedule, grandfather's schedule. Gradually when these things start happening, she'll understand the clockwork. And then when she is able to figure that out, it's then when we will introduce minutes to them. And minutes will start with the with the table 5. Yes, 5, 10, 15. Those are the minutes how we are going to start. That's going to be later and I'm sure you'll be able to do it once you're able to introduce hours to her. So I hope you have understood what am I trying to say here, and I hope you will go through the write-up that I've written according to this clock thing and give me your feedback. Let me know what you think and I will come up with some more ideas that can help you moms. Till then, take care and start working right now to make a clock and introduce your little one to learning. Along with that, I'll just set an example. I'm going to ask Shaina a few things and let's see how she says it. Okay, Shaina, can you tell me what is 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock I go to my school.
Oh, you go to school. So what will I do? I'll put this a little here so it makes an
8 o'clock.
Okay, if I put it on, okay, tell me, if I just put it on like this, if I turn it, ting, 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 if I turn it like this, Shana, can you help Mama? Okay, now I have done it on. Okay, so what time is this?
5 o'clock.
Oh, 5 o'clock, what do you do?
Go to my Pino's house.
Oh, you go to Pino's house. Okay, if I just shift it a little and make it 6, what do you do?
I go to play down to play.
Oh, you go down to play. And okay, if I put it at 9 o'clock in the night, after dinner, what do you do?
In 9 o'clock, I do sleep.
I do sleep or I go to sleep?
I do
Oh, you go to sleep. Okay. Guys, this is how you're supposed to introduce, and I'm sure it's going to work out for you. Yeah. Till then, take care. Bye bye.